Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Jeff Culbert, Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center. Hopefully everybody's having a great day, and we're back with, by popular demand, we're going to be readjusting Rob, one of our patients who's a CrossFitter, firefighter, and one of the most excellent printers you could ever see out there. So if you ever need printing done, Mount Freedom Printing is your guy. But in the meantime, today Rob's got some stuff going on the left side of his neck. You also notice that Rob might not be talking with us a lot today because he's got some allergies. He's got a little laryngitis going on. So we're going to check out the neck, check out the shoulder, see what's going on. We're going to also take a look at his immune system, his digestive system, see if anything might be going on that at this stage of the game with the warm weather that we've been having in the area, with the rain, if there's anything going on with pollens and allergens that are going on that we can help tweak, and then go from there. So without any further ado, I'm going to get working on Rob. So Rob, say hello to everybody. Hello. Okie doke. Let's have you lie down. We'll go to work. You know, Rob, how's the knee been doing?
Knee's much better.
Excellent. Yeah, a little bit off, but...
I didn't say good, I said better.
Okay, it's a little bit off, but it's a CrossFit. You're not box jumping anymore, right?
No, I'm more squatting. Okay.
How's the stress levels right now?
Terrible.
Okay, good. You know, there's a direct link so that everybody knows between how much stress you're under and how well your immune system works.
Great.
So,
a lot of things going on.
Good Lord. Yeah, the drainage points, frontal sinuses and maxillary sinuses are definitely off. You've got a temporal bone that's going to be affecting drainage. Can I have you bite down? Yeah, TMJ, you clenching a little bit?
I got a mouthpiece.
Okay. Okay, let's see this arm. Hold here, I'm pushing. Great, I'm gonna come around onto this side. Let's check this shoulder. And hold here, I'm pushing down. Yeah, the shoulder's doing okay. Okie doke, so let's get started. We'll start at the bottom, work our way on up. In the meantime, how was your meeting this morning?
It was 2.5 hours of stories.
Okay.
I didn't learn anything.
Well, I'm glad you were there. I'm glad you learned hopefully one new thing. But in the meantime, my friend, now you going to CrossFit today?
No, Courtney has a court-appointed attorney because we're doing a guardianship for her. So I have a meeting with him at 6 o'clock at the house. It's been 3 years trying to get guardianship for her. It's all coming to a head now.
Okay, so now I know where the stress is coming from.
Yeah. So uphill.
It's a pellet. Good.
After dinner, I have that meeting with him, and then pedal time tonight.
Nice. How many miles you doing?
I'll do a half hour, about 12.
Okay. Maybe you'll find the energy to go climb the Alpe d'Huez.
I gotta talk to Dr. J about that and see how I can do it.
It's only 11 miles uphill with 22% grade switchbacks. Okay.
The straight line, it's 1 mile.
That's right. Those are the days watching Greg LeMond go up the Alpe d'Huez and the Tour de France. Those were great days. So we're just working drainage points now from Rob. We work the water points, we work the stress points, and we're working drainage. We'll work sinus points. Now the downside, Rob, is we don't have cold laser today to help us with this. We lost our cold laser machine yesterday, and the new replacement model has not gotten here yet.
Like lost it, or?
Oh yeah, totally dead. 1 minute it's working, the next minute it's gone.
Yeah, I got a machine at work doing the same thing. My folder.
Oh, I have a piece of artwork for you. If you wouldn't mind, I'll give it to you on the way out. Our confidential history form, I'd like to get the new logo on it. Hopefully that's not the machine that's broken at work.
No.
So right now we're just working, massaging up over the sinus points, hopefully stimulating some drainage out of the head and the neck area. And then we're going to do a little work on a temporal bone. So Rob, if I can have you take a deep breath in and breathe all the way out. Breathe in, all the way out. Breathe in and out. One more time in and out. And we're going to use the activator over the frontal and maxillary sinuses. And then we're going to use do a little finger lift to help lift the maxillary sinus to drain. Rob, can I have you open up? Thank you. Do me a favor, deep breath in and all the way out. I apologize if that's a little tender because that can get a little pinchy. Breathe in and all the way out. And breathe in and all the way out. And breathe all the way in and all the way out. Hopefully that was okay, Rob.
Good.
Excellent. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Now let's see with this neck here. Let's see. We're going to go this way, Rob, with this side. You're going to smile. There you go. And let's use the activator on the other side. There we go. Right about there?
Yep.
Okay. With the left side of Rob's neck being a little bit locked up, a little bit jammed, and a little bit tender, I'm approaching it on a little bit of a gentle side today. We're going to augment what we're doing there with a little trigger point later on. Therapy to go after the knot in the muscle, loosen things up a little bit. Yeah, nasty little knot right there, don't you?
I got equal opportunity. I got everything.
Okay. Yeah, that's a nasty little spot. As most everybody knows, one of the nasty side effects of stress is your upper traps getting tight and jamming up your neck. Okay, you start to feel that relax a little bit, Rob?
Mm-hmm.
Just lift and stretch you out a little bit.
It was a clunk.
There we go. Excellent. Okay, Rob, if you can do me a big favor, I'm going to have you lay on this side. There we go. How's the knee behaving, okay?
Yep.
Breathe all the way in. All the way up. Relax. There you go, thank you. Turn on your stomach. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. So now, has it been relatively quiet for you guys at the fire department where you working, Rob?
We've been a little quiet, which is good and scary at the same time.
Yep, I get it.
A lot of smells and bells, but it's ultimately what we try, right? Fire prevention.
That's it. Okay, my friend, you're going to relax those arms a little bit for me. You're just going to take a nice breath in and all the way out. Now really relax for me. Smile. There you go. Because that mid-back area right there is stomach stress and slouching, Rob. Tired too?
Yeah.
Okay. Stress and fatigue will do that. Let's get that upper cervical.
Late nights, early mornings.
You mean we're not 17 anymore, Rob? Okay, we got a facet joint over there. You are definitely a little jammed up here, Rob. Okay. Fine. What is it? Oh, okay. 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 Rob, when I'm done stretching the neck here, I'm going to have Zach and Carrie come in and do a little trigger point work for you on that left neck and trap. And hopefully that gets the knot out and the neck is back to normal. In the meantime, good luck with all the crazy stress. Good luck with the sinuses. Don't forget to drink your water. Don't forget, you can always breathe in some steam with some apple cider vinegar in it. Don't forget local honey and apple cider vinegar in a hot cup of water. Make it like a tea, stir it up, and drink it first thing in the morning. And over a couple of weeks, that should also help with anything that's sinus or allergy related. Excellent. And don't show up for your Thursday meeting. Okay. So everybody, this is Dr. Jeff Culbert, Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, your leader in alternative healthcare. Again, we're taking care of Rob today. He is a CrossFitter, generally comes in with a beaten up body from that, but today we spent a lot of time with stress points, working his immune system, and trying to relax a really crazy knot in that left trap neck area. So we're going to call in some trigger point work now. It's a special therapy utilizing electrical stim and some ultrasound. The job of that is to find out where the muscle's knotted, start to break up the knots in the muscle, flush out the lactic acid, which he'll do with following up with a little bit of drinking some extra water and a little bit of moist heat. So if you found this video interesting, I'd hope you'd hit like, I'd hope you hit share with some friends and families, and also if you wouldn't mind hitting subscribed, and that way you get to see future videos and future talks that we do in the future regarding healthcare and alternative healthcare measures. So if you found this interesting, you want to visit our website, that's smcc4u.com. Always feel free to hit the patient section, shoot us a text or an email, give our office a phone call. There's always never a charge for a consultation to determine if yours is a chiropractic case. So with all that being said and done, hopefully you guys are having a great day. Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, your leader in alternative healthcare. Thank you very much.